I'm going to show how to make popcorn on a griddle. This is my 17-inch portable Blackstone griddle. Any size griddle will work just fine. This is a griddle dome, also known as a basting cover. It's an essential item when making popcorn on a griddle. The 12-inch by 9¼ inch works perfect. You will also need a piece of cardboard that is cut a little larger than the size of the griddle dome. This is my favorite popcorn to take with me when I go tailgating or on camping trips. This pop kit contains butter-flavored oil in one pouch and kernels in the other. This kit is super easy to pack and use. However, you can use any popcorn as long as you follow the instructions. Begin by placing the griddle on a level surface and heat it up on medium heat. Next, take the popcorn and pour it in the center of the hot griddle in this manner. Then pour the oil into the pile of kernels as seen here. Using the dome cover, collect all the stray kernels into the middle pile. Return the cover over the kernels and allow it to heat up. Start listening for initial popping sounds. Immediately, start stirring the kernels by moving the dome cover in a circular motion. Keep the kernels moving so they don't burn. When the popping slows down, you know you're almost done. You may need to pause now and again to hear it finish. Once the popping stops, turn the burner off. Remove the popcorn immediately using the cardboard in this manner. The popcorn is now ready to eat.